Hi my loves, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Joanna Moshka, and in today's video we're going to be having a wash day. I'm going to be showing you how to care for your hair with little to no breakage. So today we're going to be working in 4 sections. Just a quick length check. My hair is really growing. Like, see the length of my hair right now. So the next step is to saturate your hair with water. I'll be giving you reasons why. So wet hair is less prone to breakage because there are less tangles and also reduce frictions. You know how water naturally softens things? With our natural hair, we have oils product build up. Having enough water on your hair softens your hair and helps to distribute products to all parts of your hair. Currently, I'm using this Cream of Nature shampoo. This is the best shampoo ever. Currently, I'm washing my hair. As you can see, I'm using my finger pads to clear my scalp. With these, you have to avoid using your nails to injure yourself. So you have to be careful while scrubbing your hair. Currently, I'm washing the front parts of my hair, ensuring that all the product buildup are being gone from my hair. Currently, I'm doing the smoothing effect. It helps distribute the product evenly around my hair. As you can see, that's what I'm doing now. Usually, I go for a double cleansing. I use the clarifying shampoo first and then I use a moisturizing shampoo. Then again, it's all about the technique. The second is going to give you the real benefits the shampoo has to offer. So this is me washing my hair with a moisturizing shampoo. The first one I used was a clarifying shampoo. Now I'm using a moisturizing shampoo to bring back the moisture back into my hair. This is me smoothing my hair with my hands, distributing all the products evenly to my scalp. Just look at how my hair has grown so much. The curl pattern is so good. So I'm currently using this deep conditioner from Maya Organics. This is the best conditioner ever. It softens your hair, it gives your hair all the nutrients it needs. So this is me basically detangling my hair with my detangling brush. I'm making it. Currently here, I divided my hair into 4 sections, applied my deep conditioner, and now I'm twisting my hair. So I go ahead and put on a plastic cap and a heat cap. What it does basically, it traps the heat to your hair. In that way, your hair gets the best from the conditioner. Right now, I'm done steaming my hair. I'm untwisting my hair and rinsing off the conditioner. So now we're going to go ahead and oil our scalp. I'm using this Jamaican castor oil to oil my scalp. It helps to grow out your edges. It helps to thicken your hair. It helps to give your hair strength basically. Then I go ahead to use my Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is the best conditioner ever. It helps to put moisture back into my hair, and it also softens my hair. And I currently started using this shea butter. It's an African shea butter. I'm sure all my Nigerian girlies can relate to this. I use this to seal in the moisture of all the products I've put on my hair. So now I'm going in with the LOC method, which is basically liquid, oil, and conditioner. So right now I'm sectioning my hair into 4 places so it can be easy to manage. So now I spray my hair with water first, and then I go in with my leave-in conditioner, and then I add my Jamaican castor oil and my shea butter to seal in the moisture. Then I twist my hair. I put my hair in a twist. Now I go in with my virgin hair fertilizer. It helps to remove dandruff. If you're a girl struggling with dandruff, this is your remedy. It helps to remove all dandruff, and I also like the mint effect it has on your hair. It has this tingling effect which helps your hair to be on point. Now this is me basically twisting my hair. So I'm basically repeating the method I did, which is the LOC method, which is liquid, oil, and conditioner. The liquid here is the water, and then the oil here is the Jamaican castor oil, or you can use your shea butter, and the conditioner here is my Cantu leave-in conditioner. So now I'm basically applying the Jamaican castor oil on my edges. It helps my edges to grow, I always put water on my hair and then I apply Jamaican castor oil on my scalp. My hair is all done and ready to be made by my sister. I'm trying out this new style, ponytail. This was all the hair I lost from my wash day. So yeah, this is me making my hair ponytail with no extensions with my sister. So here my sister was basically sectioning my hair into different parts. The full video is on our channel. You can check her out at Toriseju Amoshika here on YouTube. I love the final look. Thank you guys for sticking around with me. See you in my next video. Bye.